Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your HelloTalk account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up your HelloTalk application on your mobile device and sign into your account. Now, once we've done that, we're going to click onto the Me button on the bottom right hand corner of the page. Then inside of here, we need to click onto the gear icon, top right hand corner of the page here. Then we'll be taken inside of our settings. Now look for the account option. Here it is here at the top. Then from here, it's going to be kind of grayed out and it's going to say delete account. So if you can't see it, just turn your brightness up on your mobile device and just look for delete account. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on delete account again. Now this is going to take us over to the next page where we want to confirm the deletion. So it will just tell you a bit more about the process, and just basically scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click on request deletion and then account deletion, so we can go ahead and read this and then confirm deletion. And before we do that, we need to scroll down and click on agree, click on confirm deletion, and now that's going to delete your account.